Hi, in this 3-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits of a Boxed-Eave Carport from Allen's Factory Outlet, how to customize it to meet your needs and installed for free on your property. We'll also share customer testimonials to make it even more real. Let's get started. A Boxed-Eave Carport offers endless possibilities, such as a safe haven for vehicles, a productive workshop, a cozy space for family and friends to gather, or even a private gym. Considering this sturdy and long-lasting addition to your property, here's why I opted for Allen's Factory Outlets. Carports is a choice you won't regret. Reason number 1, full customization. Our 3D builder gives you control. Choose your color, select the roof design, and incorporate elements like windows and doors to give it your personal touch. You get a tailor-made carport precisely for your requirements. Reason number 2, free installation. Setting up a Boxed-Eave Carport is a significant task. That's why at Allen's Factory Outlet, we offer free installation. Not only do you save money, but you also get a solid structure. This way, your carport is here to last for 20+ years. Reason number 3, weather resistance. Our carports are equipped with secure anchoring systems, guaranteeing stability in rough weather. Additionally, they're designed to handle snow weight. Sleep soundly knowing your assets and valuables are protected all year long. Reason number 4, flexible payment. Our payment system is hassle-free. Just a small deposit is needed up front, and the balance is due upon delivery. And for peace of mind, all our carports are crafted with high-quality materials, made in the USA. But don't take our word for it. Hear it firsthand from our satisfied customers.
We wanted the carport because my wife is used to having her car undercover. Now my wife can put her car under the carport and keep it fairly clean. I looked at different sites. A few of them had some bad reviews. A few of them had carports I didn't like. Then I found Allen's Outlet Factory. He had fantastic reviews. The carport were in range of what I was looking for.
Like Charles, over 75,000 clients already trust us at Allen's Factory Outlet. Make the right choice. Get a Boxed-Eave Carport today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your steel building. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.